What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's
go. Good enough.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, Kate, a mummy.
And a shovel.
Let's be archaeologists and uncover ancient treasures.
Yeah, and maybe we can find that mummy's daddy.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate ran across the desert to the ancient pyramid of King Cat.
It sure is hot.
Not for them.
Come on, let's go. We're archaeologists, remember?
Wow! Look at all this stuff.
Look, Kit, I'm an ancient Egyptian.
But can you walk like one?
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Kittens, hurry, I've made the discovery of a lifetime.
We're right behind you.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Here it is, the ancient statue of King Cat.
That's a statue?
Well, it will be as soon as you put it all together. Then it will look like this.
Aw, that'll be easy. We're really good at puzzles.
Perfect, because we have to present it tonight at the museum. Good luck. And as soon as you're done, you can go swimming.
Thanks. Ready, Kate? Here's a leg. Glue it to the base.
Are you sure this goes here?
It's good enough. Let's just finish real quick so we can go swimming.
Okay.
Here's another piece.
Is this an ear? Or the nose?
Just make it the nose. You see? That's good enough.
Kit and Kate worked as quickly as they could, and soon they were all finished. Well, sort of.
Done! Now, let's go swimming.
It looks funny.
It's good enough. Just cover it up.
But there's still pieces left.
Kate, we said we'd put it together. And we put it together, right? That means it's time for swimming. Come on!
Oh. Hey, Kit, wait for me!
The kittens spent the rest of the day swimming with the ducks until it was time for them to go and present the statue at the museum party.
It is with great honor that we present King Cat. What?
Maybe we should have put the tail over here.
That was a priceless treasure.
Not anymore.
Oh, no.
We ruined everything.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Wow, what happened?
We were supposed to put this ancient statue together, but we did it all wrong.
Why? Was it too hard?
No, but I was in a rush to finish.
How come?
Because once we were done, we could go swimming. So I just did everything really fast because I thought it would be good enough.
And was it good enough?
No, it's ruined. Hey, I understand. Good enough isn't really good enough if you're not trying your best. Thanks, Dad!
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, we'll try our best and make sure we do it right. Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their archaeological adventure all over again. But this time,
Take your time, Kate. We'll get it.
they didn't rush
I got it. It was upside down.
and tried their best until they were done. And when the director uncovered the statue, the kittens didn't just feel good, they felt great.
Great job, kittens. How about that swim?
Last one in is a rotten egg.
Look out!
Woohoo! Oh!
Where will we go? Who will we be? we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Making friends.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box. Look, Kit, lab coats and a beaker. We can be scientists.
Yeah, and make a great discovery. Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran straight to the laboratory, excited to begin their scientific work.
Welcome. I'm Linda Lamb, your assistant. Let me show you around.
Wow, we can discover all kinds of things here, Kit.
Yeah, like how funny your face looks.
So, what would you like to discover?
How about how to make a perfect friend?
That's a great idea, Kate. Then we can play any game we want.
Could I be your friend? Maybe?
Well, a perfect friend does what we want to do.
Okay. So, what do you want to do?
Scurry races!
Yeah!
Oh,
What's wrong, Linda?
that game's a little too scary for me.
We can fix that. Just get in this changing chamber.
But I don't need fixing.
You want to be our perfect friend, don't you?
Well, okay.
Let's give her some lion courage.
Ooh, and some monkey playfulness.
Yeah, and elephant strength, too. Cool.
Now we'll turn Linda into a perfect friend.
Let's play. Whoa! Yeah!
I win, you lose.
Yeah! You are a perfect friend now, Linda.
Let's race again.
Nah, I'm bored with that. I want to do something a lot more fun and a lot more dangerous. Let's swing from those chains.
No thanks. Playing way up there is scary.
Yeah, we can fall and get hurt. Can't we play ball instead?
No, because now you're my friends, and friends do what I want.
But we don't want to.
I can fix that. I know how to turn you into perfect friends.
Stop!
Put us down. We don't want to.
Oh!
Kate, run!
Wait, come back!
Let's hide here.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
My goodness, kittens. Why are you hiding behind a bush?
We tried to make a perfect friend in the lab.
A perfect friend? What's that?
Someone who plays what you want, even if they don't want to.
And the friend you made wasn't perfect?
At first she was. After we changed her, she did just what we wanted.
But then she wanted us to do things we didn't want to do.
But I thought perfect friends do what their friends want.
Oh, now I understand. Perfect friends don't just play what you want. They find things they all like to play together. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, instead of trying to change our friend, we'll try to find things we all like to play.
Perfect.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their scientific experiment all over again. But this time, instead of trying to make a perfect friend, they tried to be perfect friends themselves.
So, what do you want to do?
Scurry races!
Yeah!
What's wrong, Linda?
That game's a little too scary for me.
That's okay. I'm sure we can find something we all like to do. How about hide and seek?
In the dark!
With flashlights.
Perfect!
And Kit, Kate, and Linda were just perfect friends. Once they found games they all liked to play.
And that's a great discovery!